I left my blinker on!
Witness testimony, and I put down your phone. You're texting. She's still on her phone. Shake my head at you, biatch. I can't stand people that are on their phone because it's illegal and super dangerous.
Vikings War of Clans was inspired by the famous strategy and RPG games of the 90s. My favorite was Age of Empires and Machines that we all loved and played with a dedication that today's youngsters will never understand.
What makes Viking World so addictive is the 20 million online players are constantly changing the way the game evolves by fighting over resources, forging new alliances, and competing in live events.
So support my channel by downloading the app from only my links in my description box, and then you'll get the 200 gold and the protective shield. And don't forget, you have to add me to the game because I do play it, snowcat XX87, just like my name on all my platforms. Add that and we'll play together. So thanks so much, of course, for Vikings to sponsor my videos. Tough times out here at YouTube, man, and it allows me to make the free content for you guys. Let's continue on with the video. You know what's funny though, boys and girls? No joke, there are more people being killed and hurt and in collisions because of phones now instead of drunk drivers. Texting has gone up through the roof where I live, and texting and distracted driving incidents have gone up 82%, an article said a couple months ago. I put that in a video before, but just to reiterate, the importance of not texting and driving is huge. Don't go car, this is how I die. What? What? We're not speeding. Do you know that being on the phone is more dangerous than drunk driving? Do you know that? Just get off your phone. Just get off your phone. Why are you speeding? We're not speeding. This bike's got 6 horsepower. We can't even speed.
Not me.
Am I recording? Yeah. She's like, why are you speeding? Like in her nasty ass, nasally soccer mom voice. Open my visor, question her, like, what? She's like, sees the camera, never mind. Like, you're not gonna win this. You are on your phone. It is dangerous. Nothing you can say negates the fact that you're on your phone. It's a $500 ticket now where I live. Stupid.
What is this guy doing?
You are retarded. I know, right? You almost drove into that Civic. Dumbass. I saved you from hitting that Civic.
Look at this squid. Look at this squid. Who is this? That's Snow.
I am Snow Squid!
So I guess you've turned Indian now, hey? You were squidding in India and now you gotta do that here too?
Oh. It's because we're on the GROM. I'm wearing almost full gear except for my jacket because it's very warm outside, okay? We're on the GROM mode. Thanks, Mom. This guy's car is an absolute ghetto piece of shit. It's spray painted. She asked like what color is that? That is like spray bombed shit. That's what that is. Like he missed the top part too of the roof. That's like the original color. Guys, cracking paint looks better than a spray bombed car. Trust me. Faded old paint looks better than spray bombed car. Man, you can't even see downtown. It's crazy how thick the smoke is. This is going in our lungs. What's happening to our lungs, I wonder? Look at that. You can barely see downtown. You can't see this third row of building. That's insane. So if you guys are just tuning in, the BC fires are raging. So one province over to our west is on fire. We're going right here. Alright, we're gonna try this again, guys. For some reason the Senna dies ever so fast. So we put the power bank in her jacket, but the power bank wasn't supplying power even though it's 10,000 milliamps. I don't know what's going on, and it's fully charged, but... are you?
I'm riding the speed limit.
This guy's parking in a no parking zone.
Why are we singing everything?
I don't know. This is how we do it. Wow, this house got knocked down. Wow. So cool, man. That's so, you buy a house, destroy it, and then build a house. Like, how baller are you to do that? Because these houses are still worth something, but that will never get renovated. This will get knocked down and rebuilt. Because this is like prime real estate here. I'm not wearing a jacket now. I'm freezing my butt off.
Cold too.
And you're wearing a jacket.
Yeah. I should have put my hoodie on.
Do you have your hoodie here?
No. Wait for me! I'm coming. Okay. Okay. I got this now. Squid cat! Snow squid!
Snow squid!
Wait for me! Why are you so far ahead?
Because I'm Speedy Squid Cat. It's insane. You can't even see downtown from down here. It's insane.
I haven't ridden for a year and a half, so I feel like
practice makes it perfect.
I feel like a noob
And now we're in
again.
downtown crazy traffic, and here you are.
I don't even drive in downtown traffic. What
Okay,
the
so
hell
next-
are you making me do?
so-
Nice.
If you can't go, if you don't have space to go, don't go. That's my biggest rule of thumb. So the way we ride these bikes, Paves, is like 100% brake, 100% gas. That's it. Nothing in the middle. I feel like a badass with
What's that?
no jacket. Oh, that's just badass. Said really, really fast. Badass.
Speedy mixed snow squid.
Snow squid! What's up? The speeds. I hate straight pipe exhaust. Sound like ASS. Okay, let's go.
How redonkulous do we look on these bikes right now?
Oh, we look
How
great.
tall are you?
6'2".
How small is this bike?
This is a bike made, and this one's lowered too, with clip-ons. I look ridiculous on this thing.
You know what you look like? Circus monkey.
A circus
Do we look
monkey?
like circus monkeys?
Oh yeah, because we're both so tall on the tiniest bikes you can get. Well, the lights is turned on. Wow, when do you ever see that happen?
So smoky, look at this. I can show you the world. Smoky gray and so smelly. Hi.
Hey, let me ebo, yeah! Hoisin sauce.
How your nip nips feeling?
I'm frozen. It gets cold at night here so fast now. Had to stop on a GROM. Come up here, come up here. We are together. Oh man, you are such a noob rider. You have an engine capable of moving.
Shit, now I'm stuck.
Why?
I'm stuck.
You're holding up traffic and going on YouTube!
No! I was on neutral. Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's embarrassing. If I was behind you, I'd be honking you. I'd be holding the horn down, make you feel extra bad.
See, I hate when I f up because when I do, I start panicking and then I can't get going again.
And I like cramped. I'm so old. I cramped my ribs, like turning around to look at you. I like cramped a muscle. We're getting old, man.
Don't forget, we did go canoeing yesterday, so all those muscles are like.
Oh yeah, go left lane. Left lane, left lane, left lane. We don't want to go in Stony. These bikes are not fast enough. Well guys, we'll end the video here. I don't think my friend really wants to know where he lives with his bikes, so we'll sign off. Say goodbye, CB, and until the next Dual Moto vlog.
Goodbye.
You'll be holding up cars on that one.
Don't judge me. Asian female coming through.
Asian, Oriental, and has ovaries. Just what's the three O's is bad driving? Oh, old, Oriental, and ovaries. You're just not old, so.
Have the other two, so.
Yeah. 2 out of 3 has 66% of a bad driver, you know. Okay, bye. Peace out. Soak it out. Next video. Woo.